In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Ninjatrader time zone. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives, what it affects, and how to make sure the change applies across your charts, orders, and reports. Start by opening Ninjatrader 8 on your computer. When the platform loads, look for the Control Center. This is the main window that holds your menus and gives you access to global settings. At the top, click Tools, and then choose Settings. This opens the Options window, which is where Ninjatrader keeps its core preferences. On the left side of the Options window, select the General category. You'll see a list of properties on the right. Find the Time Zone dropdown. This control tells Ninjatrader how to display all timestamps throughout the platform, from chart time axes and SuperDOM timestamps to alerts, strategy logs, and trade performance reports. Choose the time zone that best fits your trading workflow. For example, if you want your platform to match New York market hours, select Eastern Time, US and Canada. If you primarily trade from another region, pick the time zone that aligns with your local clock so your sessions and alerts occur when you expect them to. After selecting your desired time zone, click Apply to stage the change and then click OK to confirm it. This saves the new preference. Next, restart Ninjatrader to make sure the setting takes full effect. A restart refreshes the platform's internal time services, so all modules synchronize to your new choice. Simply close Ninjatrader and reopen it. Once it relaunches, your charts, order timestamps, and reports will reflect the updated time zone. A few helpful notes as you work. This is a platform-wide display setting and does not change your computer's system clock. Data from your provider may arrive stamped in another zone, but Ninjatrader will convert and display those times based on the time zone you selected. If you use session templates, their visible start and end times will shift to match your new zone, which can slightly move session boundaries on historical charts. That's normal and expected. Around daylight-saving transitions, you may notice small differences in open or close times depending on your chosen region. This is also normal. Once you're back in the platform, glance at the time axis of a familiar chart or the timestamp of a recent order to confirm the display now matches your chosen zone. That's all there is to it. Quick, precise, and reliable.